To finish off the category here of the best active trading brokers, we have Interactive Brokers, or IBKR for short. Interactive Brokers is a global electronic brokerage firm that provides traders, investors, and institutions with access to over 150 markets worldwide. Known for its low-cost, high-speed trading platform, it offers a wide range of financial instruments, including stocks, options, futures, forex, bonds, and funds, all from one single unified account. So in terms of the asset selection and access to global markets, IBKR is really second to none. What sets Interactive Brokers apart is its powerful technology, advanced trading tools, and transparent pricing, making it especially popular among active traders and trading professionals. So whether you're an individual investor yourself or you're managing institutional capital, Interactive Brokers gives you the tools and global reach to trade smarter and more efficiently. So guys, I would definitely encourage you to learn more about them, and you can even support my channel by using my link, which is ryanoscribner.com/IBKR. This is also going to be linked up down in the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for later this summer when I do a full Interactive Brokers tutorial.